Fight nail fungus with apple cider vinegar and baking soda. The overgrowth of dermatophytes or yeast commonly cause nail fungus, or onychomycosis. It's usually not a very serious problem, but it can cause changes in the color, texture, and shape of the nails. The main cause of nail fungus is coming in contact with contaminated items, such as dirty floors or footwear. It can also be caused by a weakening of the immune system and excessive sweating. Although it may go unnoticed at first, within a few days a fungal infection can give nails have a yellowish tone, almost always accompanied with weakening and breakage. Fortunately, there are several remedies and products with ingredients that help eliminate fungi before it causes any other complications. Among these options is an all-natural treatment of apple cider vinegar and baking soda, two antifungal ingredients that speed up recovery without causing unwanted side effects. Next, we'll tell you all about the benefits and how to prepare this simple treatment at home by following a few simple steps. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda, a natural treatment against nail fungus. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda is a natural choice for getting rid of fungi that affect the structure of nails. This treatment option stops the growth of microorganisms, preventing any weakening, yellowing, or dark discoloration of the nail. While no fungal infection can be cured overnight, this treatment's regular use will keep your nails from breaking. It's also very important to maintain good hygiene habits. A good body cleansing routine is crucial for disrupting the environment the fungus requires for growth. Apple cider vinegar benefits. Apples ferment to create apple cider vinegar. This allows the release of healthy bacteria and yeasts. These not only give it a particularly acidic flavor but also create a concentration of antifungal and antibacterial properties that help protect the body. Contains malic acid and acetic acid, two alkaline substances that help stop yeast infections. Regular application disturbs the environment that fungus needs to reproduce, eliminating infections. Contains an interesting amount of bioflavonoids, vitamins, minerals and fibers that, among other things, benefit the health of your skin. Baking soda benefits. Baking soda is a natural product that is used for cooking, home and medicinal purposes. Its antiseptic, alkaline and antimycotic properties facilitate the control of various types of internal and external infections. Topical use removes dead cells that accumulate on the surface of the skin. It also stops the growth of fungi that infects nails. It is ideal for regulating the pH level of your skin. It decreases excessive sweating and other conditions that facilitate the development of fungi and bacteria. Its lightening properties help to restore the natural tone of the nails and decrease that unsightly yellow or brown color. How to prepare the apple cider vinegar and baking soda remedy. Complete the apple cider vinegar and baking soda remedy in 2 simple steps. First, apply the vinegar directly on the nails. Then after several minutes, use baking soda to enhance the antifungal treatment. Ingredients: 6 cups of water, 1.5 liters. 1/2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 125 milliliters. 7 1/2 tablespoons of baking soda, 75 grams. Preparation: heat water until it reaches a tolerable temperature for the skin. Add the apple cider vinegar. Dip feet into the liquid and let them stand for 15 minutes. Dry well. Apply the baking soda with gentle exfoliating massages. Rub baking soda directly on the nails. Let it work for another 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and dry again. Repeat the treatment every night to improve the appearance of affected nails. Keep in mind that although this method can eliminate fungi, the effects can't be achieved with just a single application. It is essential to be consistent with the application of this remedy in order to subject the fungi to an acid environment that facilitates their total elimination.